Hi everyone. The session that I have for today is 5 minutes to transform your data analytics with SageMaker and Lakehouse. So, a little bit about myself. Hi, I'm Adit Modi. I'm a solution architect at Laurent and also part of the AWS user group Vadodara, AWS community builders, and AWS ambassadors. So, pretty familiar with the AWS ecosystem and AWS communities. So, the session that I have for today is how do you transform your data and data analytics with SageMaker and Lakehouse. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the agenda for the session is, first we have to understand what is SageMaker Unified Studio and how it can simplify ML workflows. Second, we'll understand what is a SageMaker Lakehouse and how we can combine the power of data lakes and data warehouse. And third, we'll understand data lineage, how it can help in transparency and governance when it comes to AI-driven analytics. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing is SageMaker Unified Studio. Now SageMaker Unified Studio is something new that AWS announced in the AWS reInvent 2024. So it provides you a unified workspace for your data preparation, model building, and deployment. Auto ML and built-in governance will help you simplify your AI adoption. So it's like you don't need to do switching between different tools. You get everything in one place with the SageMaker Unified Studio. This is a screenshot of how SageMaker Unified Studio works. Here you could see there is something like called a data catalog, something like a generative AI playground, and also something wherein you have shared generative AI assets, something like apps that are probably built earlier, prompts that are shared with you. So all of this you get in one particular studio or one particular place to explore. So cataloging, generative AI application, all of these things are combined into one particular application, right? Or one particular playground for you. Okay. So the second thing that we have for today is SageMaker Lakehouse. Right now, SageMaker Lakehouse combines the real-time analytics with deep historical insights. So you're getting both your data lakes and data warehouses combined in one place. Seamless integration with services like Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3, and AWS Glue, right? And faster insights with fewer silos. So you're getting an ML-ready architecture in one go with SageMaker Lakehouse. Okay. So this is how a SageMaker Lakehouse looks like, right? Here you could see it's like a unified, open and secure data lakehouse across Amazon S3 and Amazon Redshift and Glue, right? So here you could do your cataloging, you could do gathering data from S3s, and you can also query using Redshift. So all of these applications, all of these use cases of using different services can be combined into one using this SageMaker Lakehouse, right? So we understood SageMaker Unified Studio, we understood SageMaker Lakehouse. The third thing to be discussed today is data lineage and governance. So when it comes to data lineage and governance, we want to understand how the data flows from an application from ingestion till visualization. So with data lineage and governance, you get automated data tracking for your compliance and audit readiness. You also get built-in explainability. So you know where your data comes from and what the data is doing. So there might be something like a data quality, something like a data fitting issues, right? So also it ensures model accuracy and avoiding AI biases when it comes to data, right? So this is really helpful stuff. So data lineage and tracking happens across AWS tools. So here you can see an example of how data lineage works. You are able to see the data flow for a particular use case and how it's getting going from an ingestion layer to something like a visualization layer, something like an analysis happening, something like a data quality is happening, right? So all of this is visible with this data lineage tool. It is again open source within the AWS ecosystem, so you can try it out. So yeah, that's all I had for this particular session. I wanted to cover SageMaker Unified Studio, SageMaker Lakehouse, and data lineage. Just wanted to give you a breadth of all of these AWS services that are available. These are all announced at AWS reInvent 2024, and I just wanted to share this information with you all. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you wanted to explore more, do check out data Amazon SageMaker Unified Studio, SageMaker Lakehouse, as well as data lineage. And do reach out to me if you need any help or any further guidance on this. Happy to help, happy to support everyone. Thank you everyone, and have a good day. Bye bye.